Hey, today we'll be doing our 12th assignment. We have done 11, so this is the last one to get the free access code. Okay, when your CD is loaded, then click on the bottom right icon to see the assignments. You might have to wait a while for the assignments to load. Okay, when the assignment is loaded, then click Route and Go. We'll be doing the connecting VPCs today. Okay, when you reach the customer, you can click on the exclamation mark to talk to the customer. Okay, click on the next button. Okay, we need separate Amazon virtual private clouds for different department. Okay, peering connection. Okay, so it's connecting the different VPCs together. Okay, click to go to the solution center. Okay, when it's loaded, you see the diagrams. You can click the arrows to step through the different portions. Then you can click on the video concept link at the left to watch the videos related to the assignment today. Okay, I will pause the video here to go through the videos. Okay, when you're done with the videos, you can click the X at the top right. Then we can proceed to the plan section. Then click the practice, click the start lab, and open AWS console. It's going to open in a new tab. Then we can step through the various 30 steps. Okay, step 2. Services, search for VPC. Okay, next. Step 3. Click your VPCs. Okay, you've got marketing, finance, and developer. Next step, step 4. Search for EC2. Next step, step 5, instances running. Okay, so we got marketing, financial, and developer. Next step, step 6. Under the name, choose financial services server. Then review some of the details like subnet ID, financial, subnet ID, other networking. Subnet ID is the finance private subnet. Okay, next, step 7, choose marketing server. Then look at the VPC. Okay, the VPC ID is the marketing VPC. Next step, step 8. Click EC2 Instance Connect tab. Oh, we have to wait. We have to select the marketing server, then review the VPC ID, then click connect. Okay, it connects on top here. Okay, EC2. Okay, step 8. Under the EC2 Instance Connect tab, click connect. Okay, next step, step 9. Type the following command into the terminal. Okay, 172.31.0.10. 172.31.0.10. 31.0.10, okay. Okay, so there is no response because this is the private IP4 address. Okay, so we do Ctrl+C to exit. Okay, then next step, step 10. Return to the EC2 instance page, then click on marketing server, instance ID. The instance page. Click on the instances, marketing, then click on the instance ID. Okay, next step, step 11, subnet ID. Click on the subnet ID. Okay, then it opens in a new tab. Okay, next step, step 12, choose the marketing public. Marketing. Okay, select it and then go to the route table. Okay, next step, step 13, click the routes tab. Then review the rules. Okay, the destination and the target. Next step, step 14, peering connections. Peering connections. Then create peering connection. Okay, next step, step 15, under the name, marketing to finance. Marketing to finance. Okay, that's the name. Under requester, requester is the marketing. Then you have 10.10.00. Okay, that's correct. Then under the acceptor will be the finance. Finance, and then it's populated with the 172.31.00. Okay, next step. Step 16. Scroll to the bottom and create peering connection. Okay, so the peering connection has been requested. Next step, step 17. Return to the peering connection page. Here. Then select marketing finance. Then the status will show pending acceptance. Then go to the actions and accept the request. Okay, next step. Step 18, accept the request. Okay, so the status is active. Next step, step 19, the left pane, click route tables. Marketing public subnet. Okay, just extend this a bit to see the full name. Marketing public subnet. Under the routes tab, then we click edit routes. Okay, next step, step 20, click add route. Then we'll be selecting the 172.31.00. 172.31.00/16. Okay, then for target, we search for PCX. That stands for peering connection. Okay, so that's the marketing finance. And save changes. Okay, updated route successfully. Then next step, step 21, go to the route tables, choose the finance private subnet. Finance private subnet. Under the routes, we edit the routes. Okay, so next step, step 22, add routes. We'll add the 10.10.00. Then the target is the peering connection. So search for PCX dash. That's the marketing finance. Then we save changes. Okay, updated route successfully. Next step, step 23, return to the EC2 instances page. Okay, under the instances, it'll be this tab here under instances. Select the marketing server, then connect. Marketing, connect. Next step 24. 24, click connect. Okay, then you open another browser tab. Then we will go to next step 25 and ping the same IP address 172.31.0.10. 172.31.0.10. Okay, still nothing. Still not working. Okay, then next step, step 26. So what is missing here? We need to go to the financial services instance. Then under security, click the security groups. Next step, step 27, inbound rules. And edit. Okay, then next step 28, we need to add the rule add rule from all IP4. The source we have 10.10.0.0 16. Then for then save the rule. Inbound security group saved. Then next step 29. Connect to the marketing server. Still open, let's try. So now there's a response for the ping, which means it's good. So the marketing server is able to ping the financial services server. Next step 30, we have completed the practice section. We can proceed to the DIY section. The DIY task is to configure VPC peering between developer and finance. So the instance ID, we can go to instances and we can copy this. We have to connect the developer. We copy the instance ID, paste it in developer, and the finance ID. We just have to validate to get a response, just to make sure we are putting the correct instance ID. Then we can proceed to create the VPC peering. Under the VPC management console, we have to create under VPC. What do we have to do? Under the peering connections, maybe? That's what we did, right? We created the marketing and finance. So now we create another one for developer and finance. So we can... How do we create peering connection? The name would be developer and finance. Then the requester would be the developer. Then the acceptor is finance. Create peering connection. Has been requested. Then we need to accept the request. So go to the peering connection. Then pending acceptance. So we select that. Under actions, we accept the request. So it's active for the developer and finance. So what we do here is we have created the peering connection. So is that enough? Let's try to validate. We are missing the route to the peering connection in developer VPC. So we can click on the route tables under the developer, under the routes, we have to edit the routes. We add a route. The destination would be the finance services server. What is the private ID? So the financial services is 172.31.00. So let's try that. So we do a 172.31.00 16 maybe. Then the target would be the PCX dash developer and finance. Then we save the changes. Okay, the updated route. Let's verify again. Validate. So we are missing the one from the finance VPC. So we have to go to the route tables. Select the finance VPC private subnet. Under the routes, we have to edit routes. Then we add a route. The destination would be the marketing server. So marketing server is which one should it be? The marketing server is from, is it the 10.10.00? Let's try that. So 10, then the PCX dash, we select the developer finance. Then we save changes. Already exists. Okay, back. That means developer and finance. Oh, so the 10.10 was the marketing. So we need to check the developer's IP address. Okay, so that's 192.168. So under the VPC destination, it should be 192.168.00.16. Then the PCX would be the developer and finance. Okay, save. Okay, successfully updated. Then we can validate. Okay, we did it. Okay, now we can return to the city to submit the assignment. Click on exit. Okay, then click on the exclamation mark to talk to the customer. Okay, so we can choose our reward. Let's choose the one with the hot air balloon. Okay, that's our hot air balloon with the building. So we have completed the connecting VPCs assignment. And we get our code. Okay, with the code, then you can go to the bench prep website to redeem the access code. Okay, so there's a AWS Cloud Quest completing the 12 assignments to get the free access code for the practice exam. Okay, so we completed the 12 solutions, and yep, we can take the practice exam stuff here. Okay, so the assignment list is empty, so we have completed everything. So hope you found this series helpful, this playlist. Guess we're done for now. Thanks.